Because girl, when I saw AI twins and I saw that I can save time, energy, resources, and even makeup, y'all, just by having a twin do my job for me, I was sold. All right. If you want to learn how to make your AI twin, then girl, go ahead and consider yourself sat. Hey Diva Dolls, what's up? This is your girl Crystal Chanel and welcome back to the Millionaire Content Club. Here on this channel, we talk about all things social media monetization, how to turn your phone into an ATM, and honestly, it all begins by turning your confidence into cash. If that's something you're into, go ahead and click that link so you subscribe, turn on the notification bells, and yes, girl, we're gonna jump right in it. So what's on the agenda today for Vlogmas Day 3? We are going to be doing AI twins, all right? I'm gonna show you just a little bit as far as how you can use AI to do content creation. A couple of these tools are free. I am also going to go over some of the actual tools that I use. They cost a little bit, but girl, you got to spend money to make money. And the good news is that it's not super expensive. Okay. So if you want to learn how to do AI and have photo shoots and make content and, stop the scroll, I got you, girl. And of course, the more time you have to research or the more time you have to practice, you're going to get better and better. You got to remember that AI is AI, right? It's a computer. It has to be told exactly what to do. That's how you not get the extra fingers, the weird looks. And the more you practice, the better you'll be. If you don't have photos, you can use AI to create your photos. I'm going to go to Gemini, upload a picture of me that I have, one that has a good picture of my face. So I'm just going to use that picture. Then I'm going to say new images and editorial. You can get really detailed, but I'm just giving you guys an idea of what it's going to do. All right. And Gemini is free to use. You just have to sign in using your Gmail account. Now, y'all, you can even go to ChatGPT and type in a prompt for Gemini. Sometimes that helps. Create a Gemini prompt that references a photo. And just let them know, I need this for 2 photos. I can copy and paste. So this is the first prompt. I'm going to literally copy this. And I'm gonna go to Gemini, I'm going to paste it, and I'm gonna upload a photo. I could use the same picture, but sometimes Gemini be acting a little wild. So I'm gonna find another photo. It does look more like me, I'll tell you that. This will literally break down for you all the steps on how to do it, okay? So it is a good ebook to have. I will put it in the link down below if you are interested. All right, y'all, this is another tip. Going to Threads, I'm going to type in AI photo shoot prompt. I'm going to go ahead and see if anyone posted. Sometimes people like to post prompts. Okay, so I just found this one. It says that the prompt is in the comments. So let me go ahead and check out the comments, which I actually don't see on it. Download it, ChatGPT. Create a prompt based off of this photo. Please create a prompt for Gemini I can use for a photo based on this reference photo. Look, it already has it here, reference image. Please use the provided photo as a facial reference and overall vibe. And then it gives the prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, paste this prompt in Gemini, and I'm going to add the photo of myself. And I got the prompt here. I'm going to go ahead and submit it. And let's see what she gives. So this is the photo. And what do we think? Does she look like me? I'm going to download this so I can put it on the screen. So if you don't think this looks like you, what you can do is either ask ChatGPT to refine the prompt, or you can try again by changing something, maybe upload a different picture instead. But there's a better way of doing this that I found, and it's by using this website to create an actual twin. You do pay for it. I want to say I pay like $9 a month, but that's okay because I spend $9 on almost everything else that does not make me money. back. So this is where you create an ID, and the way that you create your character, you would hit that button. You would upload at least 20 photos. I put like 50 in mine, and then once it's finished, it will create your avatar. It takes money to make money. Look at all these images. I must have at least 1,000 here by now. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow the instructions in the ebook, even though it does not look like me, because this is the magic. All right, so now that my picture is here, it's uploaded, I'm gonna go ahead and choose my twin, who is named Olivia. I'm gonna choose a 16:9 since we're doing this for YouTube, and I can probably use this picture, maybe, I don't know, for my thumbnail. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit generate free. I'm using 4 variations. So while it's doing its thing, I just want you to know I learned all this from a community that I'm in. This right here is the MRR Vault. This is where you can get your AI twin ebook. See, the ebook is right here. All of these are books. These are all books, ebooks. They open right in Canva, and you can use the free version of Canva. Let me show you. If I click on this is the ebook. So if I click on view template, I'm gonna open it up. And now I can literally change things about the book. I can add things in the book. And now I can sell this book. So this is something we'll get into later. This is called digital marketing and selling ebooks, like digital assets. I have all of your videos, your mock-up. Do you see this? These are Google Drives full, but these are all videos, and I'll just click on one to show you. They are at your disposal that you can use. And that was just one of the links. It's still going. Just one of the links that I clicked on. This is a whole nother video for a whole nother day. I must have spent about $25. I got in the community. The community has courses in it. You get access to like over, I don't know, probably close to 5,000, which I know it sounds like a lot and it's overwhelming, but if you are one of those people who want to spend once and have the best value, you want to get the $25 one time purchase for this community, okay? Because then you'll have access to so much. This is not to sell on this video. I'm just trying to tell you how I learned. But yeah, it just loaded, so I will show you. But if you don't want to spend $25, there is an option for $15. You can just buy the ebook itself. I will put that link down below as well. But yeah, let's get into it because this is cute. Okay, y'all, so it has me. Now it's giving real curvy here, right? And that it's not really where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna just not do that one. This one's kind of cute. I don't know, my legs are so open. This one is probably the best one. So I'm gonna go ahead and download that. And this one is kind of awkwardly posed. So what are we wanting to change? I'm gonna click on this one. And I'm going to tell it down here, what would you like to change? And if you hit edit prompt, it literally gives you the prompt. Remember we went to get a prompt from ChatGPT. This literally gives you a prompt, which you can actually copy this and paste it in your notes and just change small things about it to build your own prompts so you don't have to buy them. Okay, I'm gonna find where it says that she's sitting down, full body portrait, subject facing camera, slightly low angle. Action, sitting with legs apart. I'm gonna put standing. All right, let's see what happens now. And there we go, girl. She cute. She cute. She's standing up. All I did was change that one word, y'all. This looks like something I literally have worn before. And yeah, she is giving. Girl, she is serving. Okay. I do want you to be careful because as you can see, it looks just like the original. You can tell it's inspired from, and that's important because some people, like she put on the internet, yeah, you can go ahead and use the prompt. I just couldn't find the prompt, so I snatched the prompt. It's okay to model your pictures after someone if they're not minding it, but it can cause drama. It can be stressful when people take their time to create these images and you simply kind of like steal it. Just use the original, get the template, and then go back in where I showed you and edit it, change colors, change description. You're always gonna get on this channel are options, okay? So this channel is 100% completely free. From the information I just shared with you, you can definitely get started, make your twin, practice, and you're good to go. Or you can invest and decide which is best for you. If you can see yourself down the line selling digital products and having access to a community, go ahead and grab that $25 one time to get access to that. If you decided, you know what, I just want to get the ebook that you use to learn, then grab the $15 one. And also keep in mind the ebook that I learned how to do the AI twin from also breaks down how to do video. I can take one of these pictures and actually turn it into a whole scene on a video, kind of like this one of my AI twin having breakfast. All right, so that is it for today. Tomorrow I will be back with Vlogmas Day 4. Tomorrow you are not going to want to miss it. We are talking about 5 things that you absolutely need to know, you need to master. I thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Follow me on my other social medias. It's at Millionaire Content Club. Go ahead and share this with another baddie who needs to learn how to get in her bag using content creation and social media. And remember, on my watch, there's no broke baddies.